I'm back with another update.
You went back up?
Finally finished my bedroom. We are actually going to change this light fixture.
We're so close.
What the Finch? Good afternoon, my favorite people in the world, and welcome to another video. Oh man, okay, today's what? I decided, since I've been a lazy sack of nothing the past couple weeks, which I totally intentionally chose to like take a break from work, which was super nice. It does make me kind of anxious because I hate like not posting and it's just bad. But here we are, it's Saturday. Starting Monday, I'm gonna get like back to the work grind. So today I figured I would take advantage of this time to finally finish my bedroom. So, step one, let me just show you some of the updates, what I've done since you last saw my, my last room kind of transformation vlog, and then we'll get right into organizing that mess of a closet. I bought some shelves, we're gonna install them, and that closet hopefully will be a really functional like utility closet. So, we're gonna get right into it, let's do it. Quick side note, here's the funny thing. I always say that like in another life, I think I might have been an interior designer, but here's the catch. I'm not good at it. I'm super indecisive about my style and what I like. I cannot visualize like a space very well, but I just really like organizing and cleaning. It's like therapeutic. I like brainstorming it. I like shopping for decor. Environment to me is everything. So it's like, I feel like in another life I would have been an interior designer, except you kind of have to be, good at it to do it. Anyway, okay. We're gonna update you right now. So it's actually a new day, but just pretend it's not. Okay, so we're just gonna give you all the updates from my room that we know of. So as you guys already know and have seen, here is the dresser that I DIY'd. So I just put some contact paper on here that was from Amazon. It looks so good. It really looks like wood and I love it. I painted this dresser white. I added these handles that are also from Amazon. And then I added these legs that are also from Amazon. I mounted this TV and I put these cord covers here. I think I might actually lower the TV a little bit. I was worried about blocking these light switches, but I realized the TV comes so far off the wall that it doesn't actually matter. So that is all done. The next thing I did was I touched up these LED strips. They were all like looking gross, and I added cord covers and I just nailed them even closer to the wall. And then I also just added some like duct tape. It looks kind of ratchet, but at least it is covering the little part where they connect. So that's nice. Then I took down all of the kind of gallery wall that was right here that I used to love, but I was just ready for a change. Why is my camera just not focusing? Okay. I had some of the paint that was used to paint this house, so I just kind of painted all of these walls and like touched up some stuff. I still need to see, this is what was happening on the other side. I still need to go nail these ones in. I built this new bed frame that has storage underneath and put this new rug down, which is super awesome. You can see it right there. Then the next big thing I did was completely purge and organize my closet. So this used to look like an absolute dumpster, but this dresser was over there, as you guys remember. So now I have it finally all organized here. Got my necklaces and jewelry. This needs a place, but I put some command hooks there, and this little acrylic thing is super helpful. Morgan actually handed me down these because she didn't need it anymore, so it's perfect for just like my little knickknacks that I don't really know where to put. Clutch purses, all of the above, and then more clothes in there. And then on the other side, I got these little like shoe racks so that I can just hold more shoes. The other side looks pretty much the same as before, but I did just like completely purge my closet. So it's a lot more organized, which is super nice. Next, I took down the shelf that was here and the bookcase, and I actually moved in this chair, which I'll show you guys what my goal is over here. I'm actually going to replace these nightstands with little white shelves. That's what I'm gonna do next. And then I took the bookcase and I was gonna just get rid of it, but then I just like didn't want it in my way. So I put it in the bathroom. And now I'm actually thinking I might just leave it in the bathroom, but I might just get some like bins to hold stuff so that it's not all showing. So it's just some like wooden bins like that. And I actually don't think I mind this in the bathroom. I may as well use it. I could always use more bathroom storage. I also want to spray paint this black. I just think it could be nice for a change, and this kind of gets rusty and weird. So I do need to work a little bit on my bathroom, but for the most part, it's good. And then last but not least, I need to hang this mirror and actually create my vanity that's gonna be right here. I think I might get those Alex drawer like shelf thing to have be like a floating shelf vanity. Also, I'm going to attach a podcast like microphone arm right here so that it kind of comes out and I can sit here and record my podcast, and then I'll probably put a couple shelves there. So this has obviously been a long time coming. I've been working on this for so long. I was also really busy and unable to actually work on it all at once. The only thing I'm bummed about is that I have this really cute gold little like circular shelvy thing. Super good quality. Morgan also handed that down to me, and I just don't really have a place for it. That is the biggest wall by far, but I feel like if I'm putting a circular mirror on it, I can't really put another big circular thing. So we're just gonna see. I may just keep that for future house, future usage. Same with these nightstands. I'm not sure that I want to sell these, but I don't quite know where to put them. So I'm gonna figure all of that out. So I think first thing first, the most important thing that I want to do is replace my nightstands with those white shelves, even though I don't have a place to put my other nightstands yet. So this will be interesting, but I know that I'm gonna do that, so I may as well do it now. I was so worried about this happening, and it did. The wall right by my bed is concrete, so I need to figure out another way to hang those nightstands. The reason this vlog is so late is because I was waiting to put that clip in there. It's just been a placeholder, but I finally decided this is stupid. I need to just post this vlog. So I'm really excited for what they'll look like, though. You can kind of tell based on the last clip. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm back with another update that we're gonna make to the room. We are actually going to change this light fixture, and I'm so excited about the one I got. It is going to be really cute, I think. So I'm actually having my best friend Haley, come over because she knows how to do these very well, and I do not. So we're gonna have her come over and kind of do it for me. So let's get a little before and after action. Here's Haley, she's doing my light. Let's go. So here's what it looks like. It's gonna be like a spokesy situation. So she's an electrician on the side. Just kidding. But we're very excited. Step 1, uninstall one light fixture. Sorry to make you hold that.
No, I'm gonna hold it with my head.
And then I'm getting...
Did something happen to the light?
No, I just
It's just ugly.
It is ugly.
Okay, you're just gonna hold it. Basically, all we're gonna do is uninstall.
Oh, so they just like touch because they're in there. I know you. You know me. I know.
Oh my god, sorry, spider.
Oh, it's okay, that freaked me out.
Oh my god. Hello, where did you
It
go?
was tiny and it went back up.
It went back up? No, I don't want to touch you.
I'll kill it because it was so small.
No, just come out so I can just...
There we go. Nice. I'll give you a tip.
Oh, thank you. Give me a 5-star review on Yelp.
I will, don't worry. Okay, time to turn the circuit situation back on, the breaker switch. Hello, camera. Okay, so we gonna do it. Right here, it's under this thing to keep it, you know, nice and cute. Yes. Does it work?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Ah! Let's see it. Oh, it looks like we're in heaven. Oh my god, it's so bright. I love that.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, Heiki, look what you did. All right, here is the finished result. So it honestly looks so much better. Not only is it just like a cute light, but it's also very warm toned. So now my room doesn't look like a freaking insane asylum and jail cell. It's funny because actually having like cooler light is better for filming because it doesn't look so orangey, but having it like in person, warmer light is way more inviting and comforting. So now it's very cute. I like how my lens is like blurred. Oops. Well, after 1,000 years, we finally got the light fixture up. So this is the end of this vlog. Like, comment, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.